Welcome. In today's episode, I will show how to design mold in Solidworks and slice it for 3D printing. This is the wing I made in previous episode. Let's make the negative molds. Create a new part and add 3 planes for the root, middle and tip of the wing. Of course, save it. Open part with the wing and copy the wing profiles into the corresponding planes inside the new part. Make sure to not change dimensions or shape by accident. Next, draw the mold profile that satisfies your idea. Repeat the process for all 3 profiles. For now, I made it same height throughout. Perform the lofts to create the body of the mold. It is recommended to sketch the guidelines, curves, but not mandatory in simple loft like this. Create new assembly and insert both parts. Now you are able to evaluate the mold and make sure that its shape works with the shape of the wing. Made the 2 sides to be coincident. I went back to the part and scaled it in height a bit to compensate for the thickness of the composite skin. Also for 1 layer of fiberglass which will cover and join the mold pieces. You can use the collision checking tool. Red area shows you where objects collide. After evaluation, I optimized the thickness of the mold in order to minimize the amount of plastic used by 3D printer. Make sure to keep the bottom flat. It will make it easy to assemble the mold later. You can use measure tool to check the dimensions. Time to slice the mold. Create and space the planes to work with the size of your printer's bed. Go to Features and insert a split. Select all the parting planes and cut the part. I choose to select Auto Name Parts. After you confirm, all the parts will be created and saved. You can now view each part individually. I now add some holes with the hole wizard. Those will make it easier to screw the pieces down when I'll be joining the pieces after they print. Finally, I save the file as .stl and send it to the printer software. In average, it takes 10 hours to print each part. A 4-meter wingspan is no joke. That's all for today and more coming soon.